How to add notes in Gmail account. Gmail is loaded with helpful features to help you be as efficient as possible. And Gmail Notes is one of its most used features. Gmail Notes help you stay organized by letting you create a note for every conversation in your inbox and is as easy as adding a label or filter to a message. This video will show you the steps required to add notes in Gmail. Number 1. Log into your Gmail email account using your email address and password. Number 2. Navigate to Settings in the upper right corner of your screen. Click the label, tap, then click Create New Label. Number 3. Name your new label something that's easy to remember. For example, Notes. Number 4. Click on the filter, tap and select Create New Filter. Number 5. In the To colon section of the new filter, insert your Gmail name of your Gmail address followed by +notes@gmail.com. For example, jane+notes@gmail.com. Then click Create Filter with this search. Number 6. Check mark the box, apply the label and then select the new label Notes. Number 7. Test your note feature to ensure you have set it up correctly by sending an email to the new email address you just created.